As of late March 2026, the conflict between Israel and Iran has escalated significantly into what is being called the Second Iran War. The situation is rapidly evolving with heavy military exchanges and significant impacts on both sides. Recent military actions: Israeli airstrikes in Iran. On April 6, 2026, the IDF confirmed targeted strikes on Iran's central production site for missiles and sea mines in Yazd. Additional strikes hit weapons infrastructure in Tehran, specifically focusing on ballistic missile production. Iranian retaliation. Iran has launched numerous waves of ballistic missiles and drones. Just yesterday, April 5th, a new missile barrage triggered alarms across central and southern Israel. One person was confirmed killed in Tel Aviv, with dozens more injured across the country. Targeting nuclear sites. Reports indicate that Israel and the U.S. have struck Iranian nuclear facilities, including the Natanz installation. In a tit-for-tat response, Iran targeted the area around Israel's Dimona Nuclear Research Center, missile defense, and new tactics cluster munitions. Iran is increasingly using cluster-type missiles. These warheads break apart at high altitudes, scattering dozens of smaller bomblets over wide areas. Bypassing defenses. These cluster munitions are specifically designed to complicate interception. While Israel's Arrow 3 and Iron Dome systems remain active, the sheer number of submunitions makes 100% defense difficult, leading to more shrapnel damage in residential areas like Ramat Gan and Holon. Humanitarian and regional impact category. Estimated impact as of April 6, 2026. Casualties in Israel. Over 24 civilians killed, 5,500 plus injured. Casualties in Iran. Reports of thousands of military personnel killed/wounded. Regional strikes. Iran has also targeted U.S. bases in allied countries, including the UAE, Saudi Arabia, and Kuwait. Displacement: approximately 5,000 Israelis have been displaced from their homes due to direct hits.